Hi guys, this is the yellow belt for clarinets, and we're going to be doing number 10 and number 13. So step 1 is always clap and count. So let me turn on my metronome. So I have my metronome set. It is at 76. If you guys want to set yours, use mine for right now. We have quarter notes, and each quarter note is going to get one clap on the beat. Our time signature is 4-4. That means we're going to count to 4 in every single measure. So let's clap and count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end of our line, there is something called a repeat sign. It's this double bar with the 2 lines. This means go back to the beginning and play the whole thing for a second time. Now, the next step is to show and tell. So we don't have any letters written in here. Don't write in any letters. Now you have to memorize what the notes are based off what it looks like. So hold up your hand. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, B, D, F, E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. Spaces, ready, go. F, A, C, E, F, A, C, E. Spaces spell my bass. Now, clarinets often get frustrated because they're like, but miss, it's not even on the lines, it's underneath. That's okay. It's cut through. The word cut starts with C. It's a C. Cut through C is right down here. Anytime you see a note underneath the line with a cut through its belly button, you know it's C. And C is all 3 fingers and our thumb. The next note is dangling. It is dangling under that first line. The word dangling starts with D. Every time you see the dangling note, you're going to think D, 2 fingers. Then we have our rests. Then next we're back on the lines. That note is on the second line. So if it's the second line, it must be G. So we have 2 G's. Then this note is in a space. Right here. That's our F space. And then we end on E. So set the metronome on again, and we're going to show and tell. This second step, you are going to show me on your instrument, your fingers, and tell me the letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, rest, rest, rest. G, G, F, F, E, rest, rest. C, 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 D, rest, rest, rest. G, G, F, F, E. Now, you might need to practice that a couple of times. Being able to show and tell is one of the ways that you memorize what the notes are and what they look like on your instrument. Be able to do it without any stutters or hesitations before you start to play it. Don't forget about that repeat sign. Now, let's play it together. Find your sweet spot. Make your very best sound. Cover, click, you. 1, 2, ready. Now I'm exaggerating my fingers. I'm really letting them fly away from the instrument to help you see. But the best way to play clarinet is to keep your fingers super close. I'm going to play it again. This time I'm going to keep my fingers really close to the instrument. All right? Play along with. 1, 2, ready. And that's line 10. This is the first thing on your yellow belt.